Welcome to Variables lesson. It's for beginners, so if you find it easy, you can skip and continue with more advanced lessons. We just type Python to run Python and type exit to exit and return to command line. Python has four built-in types: float, integer, which are numeric ones, and string and boolean. You can create strings with single quotes or double quotes, which make it very easy to create strings. You just use the other one not used in the string to encapsulate it. Here in the variable tree string, I needed double quotes around it, so I used single quotes to encapsulate it. If you need to use both of them, you can use backslash to escape it. So any quotation mark after a backslash will not be the end of the string. We can concatenate two strings by using the plus sign. Let's print it. Now let's put some space between these two strings. We don't need to create a new variable. Let's learn some basic string functions. We use upper method to convert a string to uppercase. Now I'm creating a dummy string that contains upper and lower case letters. Now we'll convert this string to uppercase by using upper method. It's used like this, and let's open and close parentheses, and here it's. We also have a lower method that converts everything to lowercase. We also have a title, which makes them camel case. The next built-in string methods will remove white spaces if removed without parameter, or remove the chars and argument. Here we have created a string that has lots of white space on both sides. Let's print it and see how it looks. And with else strip, we will remove the ones on the left, and we need something to see the ones on the right. So with R strip, we will remove the ones on right, and with strip, we will remove all of them. We can use print to print a numeric value, but if we want to concatenate a number with a string, we have to use the str function to convert it to a string. Here it's running without a problem, but if we didn't use the str function, we would get an error. We use double asterisk signs to get power. In Python, we can make multiple variable assignments by using comma. Here, we will assign three different values to three different variables. A will be 1, B will be 2, and C will be 3. So if we add all of them, we will get a 6. We can use del function to delete a variable. Here it's saying B is not defined because we deleted it. Floating point arithmetic on computers is inherently inexact. This is not specific to Python. Basically, Python doesn't calculate it. It basically sends it to CPU. And to be more exact, CPU passes to a more special part, a specialized part called FPU, floating point unit, and it does the calculations according to IEEE 754's technical standards. To prevent these problems, we should always round up to significant digits. Another trick is we can use the decimal module to see the exact value that is stored. And if you still don't believe floating point arithmetic is not exact, let's make the last example. And let's add 0.1 10 times and not get 1. Thank you all for listening. Variables lesson is over, you can move on.